Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom route on Google Maps. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like search bar, your user icon, explore, go, saved, contribute and update. On the bottom right corner right above updates, you can see a direction like options. Just tap on it, then type in two locations, the starting point and the destination. Okay, I'm gonna put in Bar Square as destination. Then Google Maps is going to suggest you the shortest route. Then all you have to do is go ahead and zoom out there. Okay, you can see there are a lot of other ways as well. I'm gonna type in this Buddhist stupa as another stop there to create a custom route. So go to top right corner and select add stop option. Then you can type in or choose it from the map. I'm just gonna type in there about the stupa. Then go ahead. You can see the location or the route has still not changed. Well, select the three-dot menu right beside the location you just added and drag it to the second. Then you can see the route just changed. And guys, that's it. That's how you create a custom route on Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.